We've got a smart car for two over here. It's one of the newer shape version. Did a dash cam install on that, so just a simple quick job there. Here we've got an old Transporter T4, but it's just been freshly converted. And what they've done, they've fitted the roof, fitted the windows, because it was just a normal panel van, and did a full respray. They've got actually raw caps to go over there, just to make it look a little bit more snazzier. Now have a look at the build. That's the actual build itself. And what they've done, they've trimmed the bed and matched it with the front seats as well. This has come in for a Cat 1 alarm system to protect it. Right, Transporter Campervan's all done, so now we just wait for the customer to pick that up. What we brought in now is the Porsche 911, so I'm going to be cracking on with that. Here we have a TVR Carrera. Don't see many of these around anymore, but however, it came with its own factory alarm system, which was faulty, and just because of the age of the alarm system, because it was fitted with the vehicle was being built, so that had to come out, and we put a brand new system into it. So what we've done with it, the Clifford Concept 650 Mark III, is a factory-approved alarm system. It does have the dual zone proximity sensor as standard, so go near it, gives a warm away chirp. So just one push of the button, it basically stops it up and going off, but it's still armed. So if you try to open the door, it won't, it's still armed and locked. So now disarmed. It has its own mobilisation, which cuts in after 45 seconds of disarm. So at the moment it will start, but once the LED starts flashing, it won't start. I'll demonstrate that to you. Well, the LED is now flashing, therefore it is now immobilised. It won't start. So that position, just push the lock and unlock button on the remote, disengage the immobiliser, now start. Right, that's the Clifford Concept 650 Mark III. Right, here we have a Vauxhall Combo van. We do loads of vans. They're getting broken into quite regularly these days, unfortunately. So this is like one of the little vans. We fitted an alarm system to insurance approval rating. So any intrusion, simple as that. Works off the factory remote, so as a user you don't have to actually do anything in addition to it, but all the doors are protected and interior sensor as well. I'd also like to say
We are on our third lockdown and we are still in the lockdown. That's why I cannot get my hair cut. And I'm making excuses, I'm not trying to cover my bald patch, but until everything opens up, this is how it's going to be.